Don't drink
That's
till I sit down. We got to do the
scores.
scores.
3. Just 2? Oh.
Well, I'm going for 2.
That's if you're not supposed to do that.
You can do that all you want.
You don't.
With alcohol.
Oh, really?
He said you can do this here, you
You
can't
want
do
one or
this here.
two?
Isn't it like this?
Well, you know this.
That's,
I love you.
yeah.
That's the devil.
It used,
No, that's rock on. This.
it used to be that.
Oh.
And it's also this.
Yes. Or isn't this one too? Ooh.
But in one of the Asian countries, that actually means good on ya.
Good on.
Good on
I
ya.
can't remember which one thumbs up is the.
Hey guys,
That's the 24. Yeah.
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year and cross here.
Oh,
Straight
man.
down. Oh yeah.
Oh, that's good.
Oh.
Is that Bundaberg stuff?
Yep.
Not Bundaberg,
I have it.
no, you know.
No, I don't. Yeah, and you're a turkey.
Is this what you feed the mozzarella?
Well, you gave it to the magpie.
I feed him oats.
Oats.
Yeah.
He's,
He prefers cheese, but I already spend $360 a year on cheese for the other birds. Where is he?
He's right here.
That other bird like attacked them.
Come on, fuckwit. Now watch the other birds attacking.
with age, you have wisdom, yes.
I was working.
Oh, they're out.
Yeah, they just fly around.
Yeah,
You gotta keep the door closed. Oh my gosh.
So I had one of these, and I worked nights. And so I come home and go to bed, and I shut the curtains, try anything. So I had my budgie,
Is that what they are? Budgie?
budger guard. And the damn thing wouldn't stop, shut up. It was just like, and I couldn't sleep. And so I got pissed. So I go, and my bedroom had open doors to go outside. I opened the doors, I got the cage, I opened the door.
Dad!
Free and gone, and I went to bed.
They come back?
No. I wonder if they'll land on your finger. No? No.
Interesting. That's a little turkey compared to what we have.
Yeah.
You guys, I am obsessed. My grandma and grandpa's yard. And then their driveway, oh, I'm gonna get my feet dirty. Their driveway, I'll show you later, is just lined with palm trees.
They're all out here. Come on, birds.
I'm scared.
Look at him. Look at
Oh,
him.
over here.
Watch this. Watch this.
Oh, they catch
Oh,
it.
yeah,
See that,
they
babe?
Yeah.
Oh, look how happy.
Well, there's too many people here. The butcher birds.
Oh.
Where is he?
Oh, hi.
Don't worry. They won't be here. Come and catch him.
They're just not used
Come on,
to
fuckwit.
it. Yeah, look at that. See this one?
Yeah.
Come on. Catch.
Just catches it in his mouth.
Catch. Watch this, John. Catch. Too many people.
Oh!
He's a good catcher, isn't he?
Oh, he got it?
Oh, he always gets it. He never.
What are those?
They're noisy miners. I call them.
Oh, miners, yeah.
I call them. They're not Indian miners. I shoot them. I do. They're a nuisance bird.
Really?
They're an import, and they shouldn't be here.
Oh.
And they're very aggressive. They chase the parrots out of the nesting holes and all that.
no.
See, nesting holes are rare. Watch him. He's scared. Too many people, you see.
Oh,
I've got 3 kookaburras here. We'll hear them in the morning. Watch this. Watch him.
Have the kookaburra laugh.
He's too many people.
Yeah. He's like,
They're
this is
stage fright.
This is when
Is
you
it
and I
in
get
here?
to hang out.
Or no?
No,
He
this
went
is.
over
You have
there.
such a beautiful property. I love your roundabout. It's a great, awesome, just beautiful.
Joyce and I were going to
Wait,
build a
isn't it
house.
right
Joyce
in the
and I
tree, Dad?
designed a house.
Yeah.
Dad, isn't that it right here?
Downhill that I showed you on the way up.
On the left?
The real
On the
estate
side.
agent lady, I said,
Yeah.
Show me the house. What's this here? 1.5 acres. No swimming pool.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
There are uses.
Yeah.
I only swim when I'm pissed and I fall out of the boat.
Kookaburras.
That's when I swim. That's never happened.
No, it's not a kookaburra.
I'm
No.
not-
What? That is.
Are you sure?
Well, we live in a bush.
We saw one at the zoo the other day.
Yeah.
He's full. He's gonna go save it for later.
The noisy miners, I call them nosy miners.
Kookaburra.
They're all,
Oh,
they're
he's
very
guarded.
good. If there's a snake
He's
around,
up in the
they'll
tree.
attack it and carry on.
Yeah, it's such a graphing we do at the moment. It's really painful. We could get. Tend to be seasonal, John.
Yeah.
But yeah, the blowflies
The
are.
blowflies.
Yeah, that's just because you got sheep. You only got to move this sheep.
To me, this was this.
Guys, we were looking at the cute dog and this alpaca.
Hi, buddy.
Just shut up. This alpaca just ran up. Hold on. Good morning, you guys. It is currently Thursday the 4th here, so if you're in the States, it would be Wednesday. And I haven't really been videoing too much. We've kind of just been hanging out and catching up, playing games. Went to the grocery store. We've been here for 3 days now. We got here Monday and today's Thursday, so about 3-4 days, and it's just been super nice getting to see everyone, catch up again, all the things. I haven't really been videoing a ton, but the first day we were like completely rained out, so we just like went to the grocery store and then hung out at the house. And then yesterday, we went to the little mountain lookout, which you guys would have seen. I did video some of that. And then today the boys are going golfing and the girls are going to Caloundra and going to the beach. So we're gonna go have lunch at the beach, walk around, just kind of hang out, have a little girls' day, which will be fun. And yeah, I just thought I would come on and check in because I haven't actually talked to the vlog. But my uncle and grandpa were just outside with a chainsaw and found a giant cane toad. Well, it wasn't. My grandpa said it was like this big. But this is what it looked like. Nasty. They are huge, which he said that was a pretty small one. They actually get to like this big. And it's funny because Cody's like super afraid of frogs, so he did not go out and see it. But anyways, that is what we are up to today. So I'm just getting ready, and then tomorrow I think we're gonna go to Montville and do some like souvenir shopping and stuff. And then Mulaney has a rainforest, so we're gonna go do that tomorrow. And then Saturday, my grandparents are having a barbecue, and all of their friends and some other family and stuff are coming over for that. So that'll be fun to meet everyone. And yeah, that's about it. And the weather's finally starting to turn around, which is very nice. We can actually get out and do stuff. So that is kind of the agenda for right now.
Nice down here.
It is super nice. Maybe we'll have to do like an actual beach day.
Yeah.
We just went to lunch and then went through the mall. And then my aunt dropped us off at the beach for a minute so you could see it.
Now we're going to attack the wild roos. Hang on, he's going to get his club so he can club him to death if he needs to, just in case they attack him. It's a dangerous attack. Look at that vicious face. About to get Katie. Go on, Katie. Go and give him a big kiss. Hey, Skippy. Hey, no, they're two females. I think, oh no, that one's got decent balls. Hey, Skip. Hey, Skip. How are you, Skip? Go on, Katie. It's gonna fuck you up in a minute. Hey, buddies.
Yeah, we did.
Did you see that?
Yeah.
You ready to walk through a rainforest? This is cool. We're at the Mary Cairn Cross? King Cross. They put R's in everything here that you don't pronounce. What?
Oh, there's spiders.
Wild dog warning.
Well, I like dogs.
That's my danger.
I don't like spiders.
I'm gonna go pet it.
How do you say King Cross? Why do they put an R? Why are there R's when you don't pronounce them? Just Australia things. Like Beerwa's Biwa. Guys, just the sounds. It sounds like a crying baby, but it's actually an animal. Oh, something just fell.
Quite hard.
Yeah.
Yeah, the vine, or is that technically the vines? They're crazy.
So Nick, do you call this a vine, not a
That's a vine, it's not part of the tree. That's a vine, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, so they're in the dry rainforest. They're really common. You can barely walk through the vines. They get real old and thick, and
Wow.
they're really cool. Yeah.
They're called patty melon kangaroos. They're like tiny little kangaroos. I can't zoom in anymore, but the one on the left is the mom, and then that one's the little baby. They're so cute. These vines are crazy. Oh, another turkey in the road. There's more little patty melt. I wish I could zoom further. You should get on your phone. And then there's this turkey. They're so cute. So we've seen what, 4 now?
Yeah.
They're so the baby. I wish I could zoom in more. Okay, here's another one. This makes 5, I think. It's a patty melon. You see it?
Nick doesn't know, might have one in his
He's a big one. That's definitely a boy. Hi, little guy. no for me. I won't. Trust me.
My balls itch.
Cody! You did that just because I was videoing.
Oh wow. 10 or 15
These
metres
are
tall. I had to
so
cut it
pretty.
down because the root was starting to go straight to the house. I cried. It was the most beautiful tree. I haven't seen John jump like that in a few years.
Oh my god.
That's
It's
big
a
one, too.
giant python.
Would be a good 2.5 metres.
Absolutely not. That thing is huge.
Is that still part of
Yeah, they had to be up here. They're real small heads.
Oh, that's not the head right there?
That's right. No, it bends around. No, it bends around. The head will be just back there somewhere.
He likes they protect their head, yeah?
Yeah, yeah.
Don't you dare do that to me. Don't.
It's only funny once.
I've seen way too many snakes today. Poke it, Dad. See what happens. Oh, you can see its face.
Yeah.
Can you help them?
Get away.
It's a big barrel. Where do you go? Oh,
This is good content for Kylie's vlog.
is it?
Yeah, you're gonna like this.
Okay.
I mean,
It is cute.
ooh, paradise rum.
Ooh.
Kylie's gonna have to try one of that.
Super cute. Please wait to be seated. More barrels.
I think you like the. Turn it a tad bit. Oh, there you go.
How cute.
Yeah.
Beer fight. Playing some chess.
Sean, you weren't even looking at me.
What?
You said you weren't even looking at me.
I was looking at Kylie.
How is it?
This is good. How's that, John?
Not great.
That one's not bad. That's more like a blonde it tastes like. It's not bad.
It's kind of something different. Huh?
Doesn't have
Ginger beer with alcohol?
Yeah.
Oh.
Well, I had one. Where were we? It was an alcohol ginger beer. It was really good.
Bottoms up, babe.
Which one's which?
I know, isn't it? We're in Montville, shopping around, trying to find some souvenirs. Walked right by him.
Why is he looking at me like I'm the biggest guy and he's the one that has to?
Well, you always know you got to take out the biggest guy.
Your first
Walked
day,
Right with Kylie.
Oh shoot, I didn't even see him. I was too excited about the little pet boutique. Hi, sweetie. Yummy. Cody got the works. What are you doing? Which one's which?
That one's clearly mine.
Oh, I got the Hawaiian burger.
My mom was really allergic to them.
How is that?
Mhm.
Good? You should try it.
It's all falling out.
Oh no. Oh yeah, your whole patty.
Check it out.
Holy crap.
Right.
Dad's looks huge compared to yours.
Well, you know, it's genetics.
Ew. Shelly, yours is big for just a normal cheeseburger.
Yeah.
I'll share my ring.
Cody
I don't have.
Cody took his beats off.
I don't have that on mine.
Oh,
That's the best part.
No, they're gross.
it's only been 32 years, so I can do this.
You got this, Dad.
Got this.
It'll come back to you, like riding a bike.
Did you see Nick left and he did a burnout around the driveway?
Yeah, Pops was pissed.
Oh, no shit.
I know, I hopped in and I went to grab the change of gears.
Off for a beach day.
Does it feel weird on that side?
Yeah, I feel like I should.
Yeah.
Okay, this is good.
Why are there cars coming right at me?
Why is he in the wrong side of the road? Idiot. Oh.
I'm scared
now
for my
the back
life.
window's gone.
Dad,
oh my God, we're gonna die.
Stop! Dad, I'm too young to die.
How do you turn this shit off?
What are you trying to turn off? The windshield wiper? Yes. Oh my God. This is when we need Pop's music going dun 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 dun.
Yeah, the violin took off.
Well, you turn it all the way up?
Yes.
Made it to Kings Beach. Oh, you can bungee jump. It's a trampoline.
Bungee jumping.
Made it to the beach. Yay! Thank you for the enthusiasm, Shelley. There's flags. I'm scared to get in. They said there's sharks. It's cold. It's no Fiji water.
It's not Fiji water,
I want to see some surfers. Those waves are huge. So you have to stay between those two flags to swim? Oh, wow.
So there's just
sunshine?
body surfers.
Oh, okay.
Boogie boards.
Boogie boards? Guys, there's a rescue happening. Whoa! You caught air on that one. Out here. There's a, what do you call him? Parasailer? Or no? Or windsurfer?
Windsurfing.
And this guy, I guess, has been sitting out here like capsized for 5 minutes. So the lifeguards are going to catch him, going to help.
I guarantee if I went swimming out there,
We'd be dead.
lifeguards would be bringing me back out.
I can't zoom any further.
Probably got on your phone.
Probably. All I can see is that his head popping up? Are they trying to get him back up, maybe? Oh, there he is. He's right at the front of the boat. Where is he?
Must be training.
I don't know, they look like children. They're literally little kids. It says water safety. That's promising. They towing him out? This is like Baywatch Live. He's trying to get out. Oh, he's up. He's not letting that thing go.
And that'll be a $7,500 charge.
Yay, he's okay.